Hi, my name is Michael Nearon. I'm an immigration lawyer and founder of VisaPlace.com. Today I'm going to talk to you about LMOs, or labor market opinions. And what that is a permission from Service Canada to a Canadian company who wishes to hire a foreign worker, a temporary foreign worker, as opposed to a Canadian. Now, in order to qualify for an LMO, generally speaking, the Canadian employer has to demonstrate that they've made sincere efforts to hire a Canadian, but still, despite their efforts, cannot find a suitable candidate, and that is why they have to hire a foreign worker to fill the position. And that we call the LMO process. And recently there has been some changes to the LMO process. For example, they now charge a $275 fee to employers, whereas in the past it was a free process. So now employers have to pay the $275 fee. The employers, in offering the foreign worker a wage, in the past there was some flexibility in terms of what they can offer, but now the prevailing wage that employers have to offer is fixed, and it will be published online. So they have to definitely adhere to that. There's no more discretion anymore. They have to advertise on the job bank. In most cases, that is the main way to demonstrate recruitment efforts, is posting an ad on the job bank. And also, even before they apply for the LMO, employers have to show that they've made efforts 4 weeks prior to even submitting the application in the first place. So there are some new changes to the LMO processes that employers must be aware of. Also, very important are compliance requirements. Once a foreign worker is hired and is employed, the employer's job is not over. They have to meet very, very strict and detailed compliance requirements, and the government has given itself a lot of power to inspect employers' place of work, and as well as evaluate compliance standards for employers. And if they don't meet those standards, there could be some harsh penalties, including a bar of 2 years for hiring future foreign workers. So it's very important that employers are very aware of their obligations in recruiting foreign workers. Hopefully this has given you some framework to think about, and we're here to help. Thank you.